Learn English with Titanic movie. Dive into tenses with Titanic. Future perfect tense with timeline. Future perfect tense. Timeline 1. The future perfect tense is used when action 1 will be completed before action 2 in the future. For a clearer understanding, pause the video and look at the timeline below. Timeline 2. The future perfect tense is used when the task will be finished by the time you reach the future deadline. For a clearer understanding, pause the video and look at the timeline below. Titanic examples. By morning, the ship will have sunk completely. By next week, all the survivors will have arrived in New York. In 100 years, historians will have studied every detail of the Titanic disaster. By the time the Carpathia arrives, many people will have died in the water. By the end of the film, Old Rose will have told her entire story. Like, comment and subscribe.